Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I've shown ways in the past to get money really quickly. Well, here's another method, and it's made not by me this time. It's made by someone else. I don't know who made it, but it wasn't made by me. So you're going to want any type of pole, then any type of block. I like this block, although I could technically make it out of gold. And you can build it in a square way, like this. Then you're going to want to get a hinge. More of that block, or whatever block you want. And then, all this has to be with anchor off. You're going to want a butter or glue block. It's kind of hard to know what it's called. You're going to want to line yourself up with it. It's quite harsh. When you do line yourself up, you're going to want to create a block, delete this, and woohoo! It goes super quick. It is quite easy to get knocked down in the bees level and this level. It loads in properly. This like all the visual levels, apart from those two, and of course those are cauldron levels. You can get them really quickly, and it's this time is actually really easy to actually get over to the end. I will show you a clip of me making it, or just me doing it right now. The bees level is so hard to get past. If you don't have that, you're basically set. The bees level's got. So you pop off over there, and you get teleport over there. That's really annoying when it happens because, well, it happens a lot, or at least until you learn. So what you're going to want to do is you want to get close to it and then delete it instead of getting rid of the butter block. Like that. There we go. Woohoo!